Yo, it's my niece's birthday, both of them, and we're gonna let each of them open up a pack. Because last time when my mom opened up packs on her birthday, it was super lucky. So this time we're gonna see if we can get some more birthday luck. Let's go. Let's do it. Hey, Brindley, happy birthday. Open this.
How do I do it?
Just start from the front.
Code card.
Okay. Now just stop this right there and just go from the front. Yep.
Ah, it's filling.
Bombardier and Mama Swine EX.
Or
Birthday
Fawn.
magic. All right, Sophia, happy birthday. Open this.
Bet.
Let's see what you get.
Code card.
You think you found out?
Nope. Wait.
Wait. Yep, there you go. All right, Volcarona, Zorua. Wait, just a hollow Reshiram. That's some birthday magic and EX on a birthday. It's a hit. Let's go.